All right, if you're keeping track on the calendar, we are just 1 week away now from the first total solar eclipse in about 40 years. The question is, what can you expect on Monday afternoon?
Our Andrew Buckmichael is here today to break it all down with an explanation of what you're going to be seeing when you look into the sky very carefully with approved glasses, of course. Right, Buck?
Yeah, absolutely. This is not something you can view with just normal sunglasses. So let's talk about why we're going to see what we're going to see. So with augmented reality, we have the Earth, we have the sun. We know the Earth spins around the sun, the moon spins around the Earth, but let's dive into why we're going to see what we are going to see. So again, you can see the moon spinning around the sun here, and what we will be doing is a very rare occurrence of when the sun actually lines up perfectly with the moon. So let's go ahead and stop augmented reality here, and we're going to show you. So what we will be seeing here in central Ohio is the penumbra, which is the partial shadow. Now, if you're maybe traveling to the south, I know there's quite a bit of people that are heading to the south to see the total solar eclipse. That's the umbra, a complete shadow where you will actually see the stars come out during the middle of the afternoon because the sun will be completely blocked out by the moon. So let's dive into this just a little bit deeper. So maybe you want to go and check this out. Here in central Ohio, it is not safe at all to stare directly at the sun when this happens. We'll talk a little bit more about that coming up. But normal sunglasses, you cannot wear those. You need to buy those special solar sunglasses. They have an ISO number on the side of them. There's been a lot of counterfeits out there, so make sure that you have legit sunglasses to view this. One key way to do that, if you hold it up to any normal lights, you can't see the light through it, but you can see the sun, they're good sunglasses. If you can see any household light, they're not good sunglasses. The other thing, the safest way to do this, if you take a piece of paper, last week we made a solar eclipse projector. Just take a piece of paper, poke a tiny hole through it, hold it up above the ground, you'll see a projection of what's happening up in the sky. So let's dive into the forecast of what we're going to see. So as we walk over here, across the entire country, this is going to happen from one side of the country to the other. So as far as central Ohio, we're not going to be seeing a total solar eclipse here. Instead, we're going to be seeing about 86.5% of that. The bright white line that you see stretching from Salem, Oregon, all the way down to Columbia, South Carolina, that's where the total solar eclipse will happen. Places like Hopkins, Kentucky, will see the total solar eclipse for 2 minutes and 42 seconds. So that'll be complete darkness for almost 3 minutes. So this is a forecast. Using our forecast models, we can pull in how much cloud cover we're going to see. Right now, it is projecting that Columbus will be mostly clear next Monday at 2:30 in the afternoon. So to break it down for you in just a little bit more detail. So it will start here in central Ohio at 1:04 p.m. We will reach our maximum eclipse, which again is 86.5% eclipsed, at 2:30 in the afternoon next Monday. So by the time we hit 3:52, the eclipse is done and over with. Right now we're looking at about 85 degrees, mostly sunny, but you will definitely want to stay tuned to the forecast over the next couple of days because as we continue getting closer and closer to next Monday, we'll keep an eye on that cloud cover because if it's a cloudy day, we're not going to be seeing much of anything other than the fact that it gets dark a little bit. Guys, we'll toss it back over to you.
Awesome.
So good.
How cool was that?
Bill Nye Science Guy's got nothing on you, buddy.
So Sean